doing the Vanity. This is just putting back in a Vanity. But whoever took it out, they pulled the drain out. So we're gonna put that back in. Look like whoever put it in before just did it with silicone, which you can do, but I only use silicone if it's a last resort, because then they're a pain in the ass to get back out if you ever need to service it or want to replace it. This is plumber's putty. Plumber's putty. That goes on the drain like that. Better to have too much than too little, because it's going to get squeezed through. Okay. So let's. Make sure it's clean, and then this drops in one thing. For the pop-up, make sure that's facing the back. And then you're gonna pull, and you're gonna squeeze that plumber's putty. Okay, like that. Okay. And we have this big rubber washer that goes on, goes over the threads all the way to the underside of the sink. Like that. And sometimes there's a slip nut, like a nylon. Kind of looks like this, but flat and bigger. And that goes on there so that when you put this nut on, it doesn't grab the rubber and it makes it harder to tighten. But I'm gonna put some dope on that. It never hurts to put dope on threaded plumbing parts. It's a good extra barrier. This guy goes on. So while I'm tightening, I'm also pulling down on the drain. And you want to tighten it so that that rubber washer compresses. Compresses and seals. Okay, that's pretty good. So, take it back up. And then we're gonna have squeeze out of that plumber's putty. So then you just take that away and you have a drain.